If I have to describe Attack on Titan in a single sentence, I would say it is the only anime that gave me chills in every single episode after Death Note. It is really a masterpiece. Attack on Titan Season 3 left many questions unanswered, many possibilities for Season 4, and this unbearable pain. Welcome to the first part of Fan Theory series, in which we are going to discuss about the different theories given on the internet, out of which I have selected only 5 which are most possible. Number 5. Armin is the narrator of the series. Have you noticed this small detail that the voice of Armin and the narrator is given by the same voice actor? And if you have watched Game of Thrones, then you know before season 8 the fans predicted Samuel Tarly to be the narrator of the series. And in the end, it became partially true where we can see him writing about the whole story of Game of Thrones in a book. So the similar can happen in Attack on Titan too, where Armin is writing the whole story of Attack on Titan several years after the incident happened. Number 4. Mikasa will be all alone in the end. Well, we all know that Attack on Titan has a tradition to kill a lot of its character even in a single episode. This theory says that Eren will die in a grand sacrificial way in order to save humanity and completely destroy the existence of Titans, for which he may have to eat Armin too. Number 3. Eren will use Titans inside the walls as weapons to defend humanity. In the season 2 it was revealed that the walls have Titans inside it, and it is made up of Titans' hardening ability. At the end of the season 2, we see Eren controlling the other Titans, which means he can control the Titans inside the walls too, as an ultimate weapon to defend humanity. Number 2. Titans eat humans because they want to revert back to humans. Titans are always shown only eating humans, even though they have no means of digesting them. And if you notice properly that the Titans live in the forest, where there are many animals too, but they only prefer to eat humans. Which means Titans know subconsciously that if they eat a human who is a Titan shifter, will revert them back to the human form. Number 1. Eren Yeager is reincarnation of Eren Kruger. If you remember, there was a character named Eren Kruger in some last episodes of the season 3, who was also used to known as the Owl, an Eldian spy. And for some reason he has Armin and Mikasa in his memories.
Armin? Who are they? I don't know. They aren't from my memories.
Which shows that Eren Yeager and Eren Kruger is connected in some way. And also according to Nordic folklore, a dead person will come back to life to this world, reincarnated as the person they are named after. So this could very well explain why Eren's father named him as he did. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked my content, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content.